Got Superior Custom Styles with Sir Reginald. Today we're going to do some clipper maintenance on the first clipper we're going to start off with would be the Andis Master. Items I'm going to use, ratchet screwdriver with attachments. And you know, first thing I really like to do, when I do use my Andis Masters, I like my masters to look good. So I apply a product that I picked up back when I was in the military, Brasso. I apply a little of that on the clipper whenever I'm doing maintenance or preparing the clipper to be used again. And it doesn't do anything to the integrity of the casing. And this master, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and buff and shine this master prior to cleaning. Starting with a cotton ball. I'll start off with this piece here. I'll just work that product that we put on right on off of there. So I get this thing buffed out to the shine that I want. Let me continue to buff this. I want to give a special shout out to my man Ray Barber for reminding me how important it is to get your shine on. Want to blow out all these major components, free them from any loose hairs. It's like giving your clippers a tune-up. Alright, our next step is to adjust your blade set. Whether you want your blade close and flush with your steel blade, or you want to back it off a little bit. This is the component that you want to deal with. It's located at the head of your clipper. These two screws. I like to use a ratchet screwdriver. It makes my life a little easier. You're going to loosen that up like so. Now I like to take a flathead screwdriver, go right here at the base and kind of push that blade as far forward as I can get it and keep it shifted center so that your blade's not offset. Take your ratchet screwdriver and tighten those bolts down. As forward as you can get it. You want to go ahead and tighten those bolts down. And that's going to give you your best blade set as far as getting flush. Vice versa, if you want to pull it back, you just pull this lever back. I like mine flush because I like if I happen to create a line, I want to be able to get it out, and you're going to need a close set to work a line out and still maintain a close haircut. Some of you may run into this problem who may have an older model of Master. I say around 2000 they changed the style on this one, and they started adding that to the side. They added this particular bolt, which for what reason I don't know, but so be it. You can get around that. Just find the proper attachment that'll fit it. And as soon as you find the correct hex key, apply it to your screwdriver, insert, tighten, loosen, exact same procedure. And that Andis Master should cut as close as you want it or as far off as you want it. Okay, upon reassembling, putting everything back together, you got yourself a nice shiny clipper that's just glistening and glowing, and the client sitting there looking like, man, he's clean. So turn it on. If you don't have any problems with how your motor is running or how it feels, there's no need to make any adjustments, which will be fine on this side of the actual clipper. Highly recommend that you leave this big boy alone. If you need to make any adjustments to your blade, work with the small one. You'll hear it and you'll be able to see the blade visually, how it's set. That's the function of this small blade. Oh, excuse me, this small screw. Go ahead, lube up your blade. And as you can see, the closeness of that blade a side view. This is just so happens to be the MD Phantom on this clipper. Closeness of that blade, how it runs, and while you can see it's running, it's not all the way flush, but it's extremely close. And we made that adjustment together.